Sciatica is more common than you might think. Actor Johnny Depp revealed that he suffered from this condition while filming the fourth installment of Pirates of the Caribbean. According to Harvard Health Publishing, 40% of the population will experience sciatica at some point in their lives, with increased frequency as people age. Sciatica occurs when the sciatic nerve, which runs from the lower back to the buttocks and legs, is compressed or irritated, causing extreme pain in these areas. Everything you need to know about sciatica. Sciatica affects the sciatic nerve, which runs from the spinal cord down to the buttocks and legs, ending just below the knee. It's characterized by inflammation or irritation of this nerve, often caused by aging, pregnancy, ruptured discs, or diseases like diabetes. Actual injury to the sciatic nerve is rare, but sciatica often describes pain from the lower back down to the legs. Not all leg pain is caused by sciatica, so consulting a physician is important. Symptoms include lower back pain, tingling down the leg, difficulty walking or standing, and pain that worsens with prolonged sitting. Sciatica often resolves on its own, and severe cases are uncommon. Proper nutrition, exercise, and rest can help alleviate the pain. Best foods that can help with sciatica. 1. Tomatoes. If you have sciatica, tomatoes are good to include in your meals as it is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for fighting this condition. This vitamin contains a healthy amount of phytofluene, phyto-N, and other antioxidants that help with inflammation. It is easy to include tomatoes in your diet, as it is versatile enough that you can eat it raw or cooked. 2. Green leafy veggies. You may hate or love them, but you need some greens in your diet. Leafy vegetables like kale, broccoli, or spinach are known to contain magnesium, which will aid in fast recovery. The nutrition from these veggies will regenerate your irritated sciatic nerve, and they can also help with muscle cramps. The darker the leaf, the more magnesium they contain. 3. Pineapple. Citrus fruits, such as pineapple, can help soothe sciatica flare-ups. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling around the sciatic nerve. Studies show that vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, not only boosts the immune system but also eases sciatic nerve injuries. 4. Mushrooms. Another ingredient you'll want to incorporate in your anti-sciatica diet is mushrooms. Not only is it delicious, but it's also rich in vitamin B and potassium. You'll want to stuff yourself with a lot of vitamin B because it helps with a speedy recovery. Mushrooms synthesize myelin to assist in healing nerve damage, and they also aid in minimizing the pain of neurological issues brought on by sciatica. 5. Cherries. Despite their size, cherries are effective for pain relief. Studies show that tart cherries, in particular, have been used for years to alleviate joint aches from arthritis. Their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce irritations around the sciatic nerve. 6. Blueberries. Eleanor Baker, a registered dietitian, recommends blueberries as an excellent source of phytonutrients that will help alleviate soreness in your lower back. This fruit will also assist your body in fighting free radicals that damage your cells. Since blueberries will reduce those cell-damaging molecules, your body can focus on healing itself. They are also rich in antioxidants, as noted by their purplish color. 7. Spicy food. If you can tolerate it, you should consider having something spicy because spicy foods consist of capsaicin, a chemical that reconnects pain signals to the brain. It also helps in numbing the pain around your sciatic nerve that causes the tenderness. It will give you that immediate pain relief when you suddenly have sciatica attacks. Eat in moderation if you don't have a high tolerance for spiciness. 8. Turmeric. Although it is not necessarily a food, turmeric is a spice linked with a lot of healing properties. It offers many antioxidants that will help to relieve swelling in the sciatic nerve. It will also prevent further damage to the nearby organs or cells around the affected area. Turmeric contains curcumin, which can help with external or internal inflammation. Sciatica is a painful condition that, when left untreated, can affect your daily lifestyle. However, you do not have to fret because it's treatable. A proper diet and regular exercise routine can treat your damaged sciatic nerve. If you manage to follow all of the tips above, then it's more likely that you'll see great improvement on your journey to a safe recovery. These will not just improve your sciatica, but they are also great for your overall health.